Hello guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to download and install Capcut. So the first step you have to do is to go to your Play Store app if you are making use of Android. If you're making use of iPhone, you just have to go to tap on your App Store in order to download and install Capcut. So what you have to do when you tap on your Play Store app for Android users is to tap on the search option there and type in Capcut. When you type in Capcut, it's going to bring the option for you to install. I already have Capcut on my phone, that is why it's showing me the option of updating. So if you want to install yours, it's going to show you the option for you to install your Capcut app on your device. Likewise for App Store, same option is going to show you option for you to install your Capcut app on your device. So guys, that is it on how to download and install Capcut on your device. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.